In this video, we'll show how you can use the new backup restore feature that's integrated into the web control panel to create backups of your web project. So you can see that I'm in the web control panel here, and I'm going to go ahead here and click backup restore, which opens up the dialog, which has two panes, one for backup and one for restore. So I'm going to start out by creating a backup. So the first thing you'll do is select your backup location. So you can either create a backup in a folder on your hard drive, or you can select a storage location. So I'm going to go ahead here and choose an S3 bucket. So I'll go there and choose my connection string. So I'll go there and choose a connection string. Let's see, I'll choose I have quite a few there, so I'll choose this one, and then I'll put it in a subfolder called backups. So now I've chosen my backup location, and I'll go ahead here and I'll give it a description. I'll say this is my initial backup, and then I'll go ahead and press the backup button. So the backup has been created in that location now, and if I go to my S3 bucket and take a look at the files in my S3 bucket over here, let's just see over here, so, and then just do a refresh, I can see there's my backup, there's my web project, web services 3, and there are the backup files. The actual backup is there and the backup description. So if I go back here now and create a second backup, I'll say this is my second backup, and go ahead and press backup, and then go back to Cloudberry to look in my S3 bucket. What I'll see now is that there are two backups over there. So now let's go to this project and delete all the files. So now there's no files in this project, and I'll go here and I'll say restore, and then I'll click this. So I'm restoring from this location, and I want to show backups made for this project only. So there are my two backups. There's the first one, my initial backup, and my second one. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one and then say restore. And we'll see now that basically the files have been restored, and there's all of my files have been restored from the location where the backup was created, which in this case is an Amazon S3 bucket. Thank you very much for watching.